You can have that right now?
You can eat it. Your dad is just being a hater because he's hungry. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Have a great day.
Thanks, you too. Come on in! Psych! So to get started, I'm going to be moisturizing my face using one of my favorite moisturizers at the moment. This one's from Origins. This is their Ginseng Gel Moisturizer. Next, I'm going to be using Smashbox CC Cream in the shade Light to Medium. It's one of my favorite products right now because not only does it help to improve the look of your skin, but it also evens out my skin tone and just looks really amazing. I just apply it with a beauty blender and it goes on perfectly. To conceal my dark under eyes, I'm going to be using the Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. It's my favorite because a little bit does go a long way, so it lasts me a really long time. Then I'm going to be doing some light contour using the Hoola Quickie Stick from Benefit Cosmetics. I'm just going to set my contour using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. It's a nice matte bronze shade that's not too ashy. I really like it, and I can actually use it all over my face during the summertime, and as you guys can see, they even personalized the box. Then I'm going to highlight my face using Wisp from ColourPop. It's my favorite. As you can see, I already hit pan. I'm going to be applying my favorite ballistic medication, like lip ointment, to my lips like a gorilla. I just put my lips inside. Let me know if you guys do that as well. Just like this video if you just stick your lips right on in. So yeah, you probably don't want to borrow my chapstick. Then to finish off my look, I'm going to be using Estee Lauder Mascara. This is their Pure Color Envy Lash. Is it Pure Color? Yeah. Pure Color Envy Lash Mascara in black. Then I'm going to just spray my face using this facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. You're kind of getting like a little spa treatment when you spray your face. It's just going to make everything really nice and hydrated. I'm not going too glam today, just want like perfect skin, glowing skin, and moisturized lips. I am going to be like sipping on hot tea or coffee or hot chocolate throughout the time that I'm here, so I'm not going to wear any lip color, just moisturizer, because my lips are already so severely chapped. And then I'm going to, I always forget to put deodorant on. This scent is from Dove Advanced Care, and I really love the scent. It's almost out. I feel like deodorant is the product that I forget to do all the time. I know you guys are probably like, did you brush your teeth? Yes, I brushed my teeth already. I did! And then just to finish off my hair, I'm going to be using L'Oreal Extraordinary Clay Dry Shampoo. It looks like this, and I just attack my roots. I have the oiliest roots ever, and I don't like washing my hair. So it gives it a lot of volume and sucks up any of that oil. So my hair is nice and big without using any hair tools. This is just dirty hair with a lot of volume. And it smells so good. You trick everybody into thinking that you took a shower. And that's it. I'm gonna throw on my boots and we are going to breakfast. Lost in the sight of you alone. Here I'll stay till dawn. The breeze in the sky sings me a song. Here I'll stay till dawn. Lost in the sight of you alone. Here I'll stay till dawn. The breeze in the sky sings me a song. Here I'll stay till dawn. Stay till dawn. Indiana Rose, I caught a glimpse of you out on the road, quiet like a dove. You're whispering a symphony unknown, breathing the breeze and trying to grow. Lost in the sight of you alone. Here I'll stay till dawn. The breeze in the sky sings me a song. Here I'll stay till dawn. So now we're making some s'mores, and we've got graham crackers, we've got chocolate. Yeah, Jude's got the marshmallows. These are s'mores marshmallows, so they're like fat and square. So they're supposed to be like perfect for s'mores roasting. I wish I